Monday, September 23rd. It's my birthday. I'm away home from work right now, and I am gonna be logging a bit of a pull right now. So figured I'd get this on video. We're gonna do 2,500 to 5,500, so nothing crazy again, but we're getting a little deeper in the tuning side of things. Spot. I want to shoot right here. I don't even know how I want to do this, but this is going to be cool. I like this spot a lot. So yeah, all right. Let's get out and shoot some photos. You can see these right here. Guys, I hope you like those photos. I am now heading home. Tomorrow I will add the next revision and we can get into some bigger pulls. So see you in a second. Outro. Okay, I need more of that. Let's raise that limiter, Lawrence. I want the boost.
1 day later.
It's the next day, it's drizzling out, but I want to just get this last little log in real quick before it starts actually raining. It's supposed to rain for a little bit the next 2 days. So let's finish this video off real quick with a 6,500 horsepower, 6,500 RPM pull. You know, it's 2,000 to 6,500, so let's see if we can get that for them. This woman's a little way. We're getting some power now. Third gear. That was clean. That was clean all the way till the cut. So that feels good to me. Now we're making some power, boys. Thanks for watching the progression. Let me stop this log. All right, let's call that a day. I will see you guys next week. Peace. Music. All right, boys. See you later, boys and girls. See ya.